Hey guys, it's Zot Beauty here, and today I'm doing a full face one brand, and that brand today is going to be ULTA Cosmetics. So of course, first I'm going in on their foundation, and it's a compact cream foundation, and as you can see, I'm having a hard time trying to get it open, so let me just edit to the end of this. Okay, so I'm going in with a damp beauty blender, and I'm just gonna, and wow, look at that pigment. Look at that full coverage foundation. It is literally so cheap. It is so good, and I'm gonna keep on using it. The formula is amazing. Super full coverage, super pigmented, super just amazing. Okay, now I'm going into their little holiday makeup kit, and it was $14.97 on sale, so let's go ahead and get that baby open. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's got eyeshadow, it's got eyeshadow base, it's got brow cream, it's got highlighter, it's got color corrector, it's got everything. This kit literally has everything, and it's bronzer, blush, pencils, lipstick, lip gloss, lip oil, brushes, a sharpener, everything you could ever need. So I'm going to be showing you all these eyeshadows. They're very beautiful, up close and personal, and just a little bit of the shade names and stuff. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to go in with that bronzer color, and it's called the matte bronzer, and it's like a fawn color, like a baby deer. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, I got it on my brush, and let's go ahead and carve these cheeks out. And hello there again, pigment. It is so good. Literally everything in this video is so good and so pigmented, and just can we just have a second to look at this? Wow. I usually don't do bronzer because I don't really like it, but this is so good. I'm thoroughly impressed. So the foundation was on point. It was high coverage for sure. Super freaking cheap compared to my Tarte Amazonian Clay foundation, which is my all-time lover. But this foundation, this bronzer, it's too good to be true. And I swear on everything, if these eyeshadows are popping, your girl is sold. I'm buying the whole collection. That's what I'm gonna do. I work there. I get a discount. You best believe it's gonna be off the shelves because I came through, because this is beauty on a budget, my girl. Beauty on a budget. So I'm going into this champagne highlighter that comes in the kit, and it's so beautiful. With my highlighter brush, and I'm going to be going into the champagne highlighter, and it looks very promising considering the fact that all of Ulta's stuff has been slaying so far. So let's just see.
72 hours later.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so since I'm wearing a little turban and gold and blue and all these fun island colors, I'm gonna do an island color themed makeup. So, okay, and I'm going in with that nude eyeshadow primer. I have my eyes primed. I forgot to do my eyebrows, and funny enough, there's actually eyebrow cream in here, so yeah, let's fill those babies in. I have a deep brown brow definer, a medium brown, soft brown, and a taupe. So I'm going to go ahead and do that deep brown and then maybe mix these, the medium brown and the soft brown to create that, you know, fade in the front of the eyebrows. And the kit actually comes with this brush, see, ULTA brush. So I'm going to go ahead and use that brush, and the same foundation compact has the flip side, and there's a mirror, and kaboom, let's do our eyebrows. Okie dokie. I'm going to be taking their light concealer, and I'm going to be concealing underneath my eyebrows. Okay, got my eyebrows all figured out. Okay, well, we got somewhere to go. Okay. So I'm going to be going in on this dark blue color. Please have pigment. Please, I'm rooting for you. I'm rooting for you. Oh, God. Whoa. Okay, so it is pigmented. Very pigmented. I'm gonna take this lighter blue and put it like on the outer corners, hoping it'll make it look more blue. Yep, that did the trick. Look how pigmented these eyeshadows are. This brand has grown so much. So they included this little applicator, so I'm gonna use it instead of using my fingers just to see how it works. And we're going in that glitter top coat in the color Gold Digger. And I'm getting it on there, okay. Not a fan. Yeah, it's not really doing what I want. So I'm going to take some Mario Badescu spray, something I also bought from ULTA, and I'm going to spray it to see if having a wet brush on it makes a difference with the pigmentation of the top glitter coat. So let's see if that does anything. Oh, okay, yep. Look at that. Okay, so she just needs to get a little wet first for her to calm down. Okay. And do that to the other side. Color right next to the blue. So I got some of that green and I'm gonna put it underneath my lash line. I rate this kit like a 9 out of 10. And the only reason why I rate it 9 out of 10 instead of 10 out of 10 is because the colors are a bit darker than like what they look like in the pan, but I mean, it's still cute. Like, I am so living right now. Go in on a wet brush in the other glitter top coat and put that in my inner crease for a highlight. Ooh, Ooh. I thought it was gonna be like not as pigmented as the first one, but it is so blinding. So they have this black gel liner, and I'm going to go ahead and do like a quick little black line over my eyes so it can blend in with my eyelashes. And I'm just gonna smoke out the lash line so it's not like a defined liner, because I don't really want like a defined eyeliner with this look. This is just to help blend the fake eyelashes with my real ones. So I bought these Ulta eyelashes, so we're just gonna pop these babies on, and it even comes with a little tool to help put them on, so. Actually taking Ulta's Plush Drama Mascara, and I'm going to go ahead and blend it in with my real eyelashes. Ooh. Okay, the lashes are on. Okay guys, we're almost done with this look. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in their juice infused lip oils, and I'm going to just prepare my lips. And this literally smells like Mario Badescu spray. Okay, now my lips are nice and moisturized. A lip plumping transforming top coat by Ulta in the color Ethereal. This is what it looks like and ready. Oh my god. I do feel like my lips are getting like a cooling sensation. So maybe it's plumping them up, making them into Kylie lips. I don't know. Just a theory, just a guess. My opinion, allegedly. Shut up, you know who I was doing. But, I love it. Oh my god, I'm so happy. This came out really good, guys. Okay guys, so this was a smashing hit. It came out beautiful. I absolutely love this look. I love this brand. I am super impressed with the foundation. The eyebrow stuff is really good. The lashes are gorgy. That lip gloss is everything. That highlight is blinding. I love it. Oh, so pretty. Ah! So I 10 out of 10 recommend you buy this kit while it's on sale. It's almost gone. It's on sale since from Christmas or whatever. Some of you may have it. You need to utilize it because, girl, ULTA is living right now. Living. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any video ideas, put it down in the comments below. But this is my look. Hope you enjoyed. Bye!